Let's talk a little bit about sleep. Sleep is so important. You know, in the UK, we have a massive problem with people not sleeping. 90% of people who are insomniacs also have another health condition, and it can lead to eventually conditions, or you're more prone to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and lots more. So clearly it's a really important thing to get right. So what are the tips for sleeping? Well, I would say whatever you do, do not have your phone in the room. Do not have a clock near your bedside, because what you do is you keep on checking to see what time or how many hours you've got left to that important meeting the next day. And you just begin to get freaked out and you don't sleep. It's one of the most important things. It's so simple and so easy to do. Secondly is, of course, from the food point of view, is make sure your energy is balanced across the day. So make sure that your blood sugar is balanced and that you've got a strategy. I call it strategic eating. So in a way, it's not necessarily about health eating. It's about making sure that you've got a strategy in place that serves you so you can get a good night's sleep. Now, this is a blindingly obvious thing to say, but caffeine. So caffeine obviously is a stimulant, and too much caffeine, even though you think you're sleeping like a baby, the brain waves are still reacting away inside your head and not actually sending you into recovery while you're sleeping. So you may think you're kind of up to drinking loads and loads of coffee a day, but actually your head isn't with you on that one. So thanks very much and sleep well.